Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "you need to have Vanguard running to play" error in League of Legends. Are you launching the game and suddenly getting blocked by Vanguard? Or are you confused about why League of Legends won't start even though everything looks installed correctly? Don't worry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through several proven fixes to get Vanguard running properly again. First, open the Start menu on your PC and type Task Manager, then click on it. Once Task Manager opens, look for any processes related to Riot Client, League of Legends, or Riot Vanguard. Carefully right-click each one and choose End Task. This makes sure nothing is stuck running in the background, which is very important before moving forward. Next, we're going to check the Vanguard service. Open the Start menu again, type Services, and click on it. Scroll down until you find a service called VGC, then double-click it. Set the startup type to automatic, click Apply, and then OK. Double-click the service once more and make sure the status shows running. If it doesn't, click Start and confirm. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in as an administrator, your Windows system is fully updated, and Riot Client is completely closed during these steps. Doing this can save time and prevent common Vanguard issues. If the error still appears, uninstall and reinstall Vanguard. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, search for Riot Vanguard, and uninstall it. After that, launch the Riot Client, log in, select League of Legends, and click Update. Vanguard will reinstall automatically, and once it finishes, restart your computer. Once you're back in Windows, open Task Manager again, go to Startup Apps, find vgtray.exe, and make sure it's enabled. Now launch the Riot Client and start League of Legends. Vanguard should run correctly in the background. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Vanguard running error in League of Legends without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with a friend who's having the same issue. Why not make their day a little easier?